Hello and thank you guys for purchasing 100 plus glitch titles for Premiere Pro. This is a quick video tutorial on this pack, and I'm gonna show you how you can use these nice animated glitch titles on your project inside Premiere Pro. To show that, I've just opened my Premiere Pro and imported one footage inside the timeline, and now I am going to add the glitch titles on top of this footage. To do that, I will go to the window menu and make sure the essential graphic panel is open. I will click it, and then I can navigate to down right button, which called install motion graphic templates. Click it and choose one of these Mogrts. To do that, I will select one, title number 6, and hit open. Then I will go to the search bar here and search for neon, hit enter, and here is my Mogrts. So I'll select it, drag and drop it on the timeline above my footage and place it here. I'll wait until the Mogrts is loaded. Then I will select the Mogrts clip. I will go to Essential Graphic Panel, this time inside Edit tab, and I can easily change the titles here, write Future City for example, and then the second text, put it here, and as you see, texts are replaced, and now I can scale down the Mogrts because it's made for 4K and my footage is only full HD. So I will scale it down and I can place it wherever I want it to be. This is one way to change its place. Another way is to select the clip, go to Effect Control Panel, select the motion, and from there I can change its place, which is not recommended to change the place from here. I'll recommend you to change the place and scale from the Essential Graphic panel. Then I can change the colors, although it's already matched with the background, but I'm gonna change the colors just to demonstrate how easily you can adjust it to the colors that you want. Very well. And I can turn off or on the graphic elements like these dots by clicking this checkbox down here. Once the changes are made, I'm ready to play it. As you see, the line above it is red. It means it needs to render out the clip. I will go to the sequence menu and hit render into out, and we'll wait for the Premiere to cache out this animation. Alright, now it's ready to watch. As you can see, the glitch title is working pretty fine. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this pack.